All right, let's take a look at accuracy and F1 score. I'm not the best at describing because I'm not a data person, so I'm not the best at describing this, but I do have the information here. So I'm hoping that you can make sense of what I have here. But we want to talk about accuracy and F1 scores. So I'm just going to bring all the information on the screen so we can see it. But the idea is that these are two metrics that we're going to care about. So we have accuracy is used when true positives and true negatives are more important. So here we have true positives and true negatives. These are our selected elements. And that is where we're looking to find out for accuracy. And if you remember accuracy is about being as close to the target as possible, right? So if it's accurate, then it is near our center point, okay? So F1 score is used when false negatives and false positives are more important to the answer, where you have imbalanced class distributions. And so the idea is that it's on the outside of our selection, and it's these false negatives and true negatives. So when combining, which is called a harmonic mean, precision and recall, we can get an F1 score to be used in binary classification. And so down below, so how many selected items are relevant? So here for precision, you can see that it is here. For how many relevant items are selected for recall, it's going to be this. So again, I'm not saying that I'm making this easy to understand, but maybe more exposure over time, you'll see how these true positives, like remember the confusion matrix, how it plays in again and again for this stuff, okay?